Hello everyone, welcome to Court with Krissy. This judge has found a way to properly sentence a sovereign citizen. Comply or contempt until you do. I hope you like it. Court with Krissy is now in session.
All right, People versus Kuhn, case number 235256. Would you come up to the podium, please?
Sierra Coke on behalf of the people. Oh, yeah.
You able to hear me okay, Mr. Kuhn? Are you able to hear me okay?
I can now.
Okay. Great. This is the date and time set for a sentencing hearing in this case. Mr. Kuhn, you're appearing without a lawyer today, is that correct?
Yes.
You understand that you do have the right to have an attorney?
You're on special appearance, so
You understand that you have the right to have an attorney?
I'm here on special appearance, sir.
I know, I'm asking you a question.
And I'm here on special appearance.
Do you understand that you have the right to have an attorney?
I'm here on special appearance.
That's not my question. Are you going to answer my question?
I'm here on special appearance, sir. I understand I made a mistake, and I'm ready to, try to solve this problem.
Are you going to answer my question?
I'm here on special appearance. Go ahead and say.
So you're not going to answer my question?
I'm here on special appearance, sir.
Okay. I'm going to have you sit back over there for a minute. We're going to take up your case again. In a little bit, I need to decide how we're going to proceed if you're going to refuse to answer any questions here today. Okay? Nope, you're not handing anything to anybody. You're going to go sit right over there. Okay, officer. Okay. Let's take a short recess. I don't think Mr. Townsend's here yet for Mr. Ackerman's case. Mr. Kuhn, I'm going to have you come back up to the podium there. Are you able to hear me okay, Mr. Kuhn?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just want to explain a couple things to you. I have an obligation to ask you certain questions to make sure that you understand what's happening with your case. And that's why I'm asking you whether you understand that you have the right to have an attorney and that you would have the right to have one appointed if you couldn't afford one. I'm just trying to make sure that you understand your rights, and it's my job to explain those rights to you. I'm not asking you to give up any rights. You're not putting yourself in any kind of legal danger by answering these questions. I'm just trying to find out if you understand what your rights are and how we're going to go forward, so that I know that you're knowingly and voluntarily choosing not to have an attorney to represent you. And if you don't answer these questions that I'm asking you, it impedes my ability to proceed with the hearing in the way that I'm required to under the law. You understand that?
How to answer that. All I know is, I was told, when I've read and stuff, that I'm here on special appearance.
What do you think that means?
I'm not contracting. If there's no corpus electi, how could there be a crime?
Okay, do you know what that even means?
There's no injured party.
What you're saying?
If there's no injured party, where is the crime?
Okay, well, first of all, a jury found you guilty, right?
And that, well, see, I'm
And
stepping
they
into
found you
something.
guilty of
stepping
assaulting
into
or resisting
something
or
here.
obstructing 2 police officers. Right, that's what happened.
I'm here on special appearance.
If you continue to refuse to answer my very simple questions just about whether you understand what's happening, and if you continue to just give me that answer, which doesn't make any sense and doesn't have any legal effect, no matter what you read or what other people have told you, then you're impeding my ability to proceed in the way that I need to under the law. And if you continue to do that, my only option is to impose a sanction on you until you do answer my questions. And what that means is that I'm going to find you in direct contempt for impeding the function of the court by refusing to answer very simple questions. And I'm going to put you in jail for 30 days. And if at any point during that jail stay, you decide that you will answer these very simple questions, then we'll come back into court immediately and we'll take care of the sentencing. But those are going to be your options, because I'm not gonna have you just.
Okay, well, thank you for clearing that up.
So it's your choice. You can answer my questions or you
An
can.
attorney, but the attorney I had absolutely did nothing.
Okay, we're past that point. What we're here for today is the sentencing hearing, because you've been convicted, you've been found guilty by a jury of your peers. And so we're here for sentencing. So we're not here to talk about what did or didn't happen with your lawyer before. I'm trying to find out if you understand that you have the right to hire your own lawyer, or if you can't afford one, that one will be appointed for you. Do you understand that you have that right?
Yes.
And you understand that proceeding without a lawyer has certain risks. Do you understand that?
But I obviously can't afford an attorney.
Okay.
And the one I had, again, didn't do a dang thing, because the ticket should have never been split.
Okay. Do you want to
That was my
request?
argument to begin with.
Do you want to request a different attorney to be appointed?
Actually, yes.
You did. Okay. All right. So you did previously qualify. So I find that you continue to qualify for a court appointed attorney. Court is going to appoint one for you, and we'll reset this hearing for my next available date. Okay.
Am I going back to jail, or can I go home?
No, you're going back to jail until we can have the hearing.
I've already had 3 weeks in jail, sir.
And you made that choice by refusing to comply with the pre-sentence process. That was your choice. You're just facing the consequences for your own choices. And if you have people advising you to take this ridiculous stand and make these statements that don't mean anything to the court, they're giving you really bad advice. And they're not the ones paying for that advice, you are. And I think you need to start listening to a lawyer who actually knows something about the law, and not what you read on the internet or what people tell you, because they don't know. And you're taking their advice and you're paying the consequence for their bad advice. They're out doing what they want to do. You're the one who's in here in jail. So I would suggest that you start listening to a real lawyer and not what you read on the internet or what people are telling you who really don't know what they're talking about. So that's the way we're going to proceed. We'll appoint an attorney to represent you at the next hearing, and
when will
your
that
bond
be?
is going to continue to be revoked until that time. What's that?
And when will that be?
As soon as I can get it on the schedule, probably about 2 weeks. Ms. Pope, any record?
No, I'll let Mr. Thompson know that he was a side counsel so we can get somebody in there quickly.
That's all for this hearing today. Our next hearing is set for 11, so we'll be in recess until then.